guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an important time of the year on this channel. If you guys have been here since the beginning, you know that right now is the most important time of the year because it is the start of December, which means it is the start of hashtag 25 days of DIY. If you guys don't know what that is, basically every single day from the 1st of December until Christmas, I upload one 5-minute or under DIY craft for you guys. So it's kind of like an advent calendar counting down to Christmas, and I do cooking and DIYs and life hacks and all these cool things. So to make sure that you guys don't miss a video, make sure that you subscribe down below, turn on all notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And this shows me that you guys really like this, so that I will keep doing it year after year because I love this tradition. It is super fun for me. Even though it takes a lot of work filming and editing a video every single day, I think it is totally worth it because in the end, I have 25 days of DIY for you guys. So we're going to start off with a craft that is a 3D snowflake. I've made these so many times and they're so cute, and I am surprised that I haven't done a video on this before. But let's go get on into the series, and the advent calendar starts now. Let's go! So in order to make this super cute snowflake, all you're going to need is just 6 pieces of any color paper, and I just did blue, a stapler or a glue stick, and scissors. First, start off by taking the corner of your paper and folding it all the way to the other side so that you get a perfect square, and then you're going to fold it one more time to create a double triangle. Then where the two sides open up to form a little bit of a beak, where there are 2 creased edges together, you're going to cut 3 slits, one longer than the next, until you hit the other side, but make sure not to chop off all the way until the other side, so that you get a design like this. Then start with the most inner layer, and you're going to loop these 2 together. And on the first one, I always use a glue stick because you can't use a stapler in that small of a space, but just stick those 2 together like that. Then flip over your snowflake and do the next 2 on the other side. Then I use a stapler on all the other ones. Then flip it over again and do that, and continue doing that until you have this really cool musical note shape. I feel like it kind of looks like a treble clef or something. Then after you make 6 of them, it's really easy to attach them. Make sure that they're all facing the right way. And then you're going to staple them on the very bottom where all of them meet, and also on the middle of each of the parts of the snowflake. And you can see me doing this right now where my thumbs are just right there, and then you're going to just staple those. And I also made a mini one, which is also really cute. And thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of 25 Days of DIY for 2018. Make sure to check out last year's 25 Days of DIY, and also check out some of my fall videos. So make sure that you do that. Make sure that you subscribe to never miss one of these videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!